Hi everyone, welcome back to another Crafternoon with Mandy. I have moved locations from my normal spot because it is the first truly spring-like day, so the sun is just too brilliant and magnificent over there. It's just washing everything out. So here I am. For April, we're thinking spring. There's probably still going to be a couple of really cold days, but at this point, if you're a gardener, you've gotten your seeds going. If you're going to buy plants, you're probably thinking about that as well. So for us, what I have are these little terracotta clay pots that you will get some paint to go with, a brush, a tray, and I'm going to give you some marigold seeds because I absolutely love marigolds. They're great for keeping pests away from your garden. You can dry them, you can do botanical dyeing with them. They're just really great and lovely, and they don't take a lot of care. They actually kind of thrive under neglect a little bit. So our tenacious marigold. All right, so it seems pretty obvious how this is going to go, but I thought we would share this artistic journey together, and you can see what I come up with. Maybe it'll be some inspiration for you. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, here's my pot. I have selected for myself 2 shades of green, some black and white for mixing, and some brown and pink. Just totally random. You will also get a random assortment of colors. And yeah, you can just make something magic with it. All right, here we go. All right, my friends, that does it for another Crafternoon with Mandy. I did like an ombre green with this little kind of heart in the middle. The nice thing about these little terracotta pots is that they're so dry and porous that the paint dries like almost immediately. So it was a little difficult to do the ombre just because like the paint wasn't really staying like wet enough to do the gradient, but I think it turned out okay. You also won't have to wait too long to like layer things on it. So yeah, I think that's really cute. You can rustle up some dirt, plant your seeds, and get to enjoying spring weather. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.